Hi, hello. Welcome to Funny Bunny Learners. Let's start. English conversation practice for beginners. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm good. And you? I'm fine. Thank you. What's your name? My name is Karthik. What's your name? My name is Neha. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Neha, where are you from? I'm from Bangalore. What about you? I'm from Chennai. How old are you? I am 20 years old. You? I am 18 years old. What do you do? I am a student. What about you? I am also a student. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have an older brother. What about you? I have two brothers. Great. Do you like to travel? Yes, I love to traveling. What is your favorite food? I love biryani. What's yours? I really like pasta. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat. Do you? No, I don't have any pets. What do you like to do in your free time? I like to read books and watch movies. What kind of music do you like? I enjoy classical music. Can you speak any other languages? Yes, I can speak Hindi and English. What about you? I can speak Hindi and little bit of Tamil. What is your favorite season? I like summer. What about you? I prefer winter season. Do you like sports? Yes, I like playing tennis. Do you play any sports? Yes, I like soccer. Do you like to cook? Yes, I like to cook. Do you have any hobbies? I enjoy playing guitar and cycling. What is your dream job? I want to be a teacher. And you? I want to be a pilot. Great. It was really nice talking to you, Neha. Yes, it was great chatting with you too, Karthik. I hope we can talk again soon. Absolutely, I would like that. Have a wonderful day. You too. Take care. Goodbye. Goodbye. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.